Hey guys, so today in this video I'm going to be taking you through my most viral TikTok videos. This one on the screen is a top viral one which started an international trend and it's currently at 2.3 million views and counting. I hope you watch this and have fun. Also, do not fail to subscribe. Enjoy.
If all of the kings had their queens on the throne, we would pop champagne and raise a toast to all of the queens who are fighting alone. Baby, you're not dancing on your own.
This is Courtney speaking. What do you want?
Is this Glow call center?
Duh.
Okay, so I just got my makeup kit today.
Congratulations.
Yeah, thanks, but the foundation brush is broken. Hello?
Yeah?
Did you hear me?
Yeah.
I can't use this broken brush.
Use your hands. Bye.
No, wait. I just need a replacement for my brush.
We don't do replacements.
It says right here on the box, we do replacements for brushes.
No, it doesn't. We changed that.
When?
Just now.
Can I please just get a replacement for the brush? That's all I want.
Okay. Done. I just sent you a confirmation email.
Okay, I'll check now.
Is there a problem?
Yes, this email says use your hands.
You're welcome.
What the?
Another satisfied customer.
Great news. She's fat. No. Better than that. She's dead. No. She's blind.
Yes! I said I don't think that he's good for you.
How do you know what's good for me?
That's my opinion! Don't you get it? Why can't anybody have an opinion but you?
And I yell.
Do you not
How
get
do
it?
you know what's
That's
good
my
for me?
opinion.